Hello traders, the title of this video is Bitcoin Analysis, Elliott Wave Guru shares Bitcoin Wave Analysis Tips. Alright, I hope you like the title, alright, a title that can get your attention. Elliott Wave Guru share Bitcoin Wave Analysis Tips. A few months ago, I did analyze the Bitcoin chart. This is a Bitcoin index. If you are using the TC2000, the epic is NYSBT, alright? November Yankee S-Ray Bravo Tango. So we did count wave. We said it's the first wave, second wave, alright, third wave somewhere here, followed by the fourth wave and the fifth wave, and we were saying to traders that we are now in the corrective phase. Alright. So if we go, because I'm on the, if you go to the weekly chart, because I'm on the monthly chart now, you'll see clearly here. So our tiny fourth wave is right there, followed by the fifth wave. Alright. And I say to traders, so first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave on the weekly chart. So an impulse wave is completed, all right, both on the weekly and the monthly chart. So anytime we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes one impulse wave of a higher degree. This is the one here. So here we have, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes one, highlighting a wave of a higher degree, an impulse wave of a higher degree. So now this is a correction taking place here. And in a previous tutorial, when I was talking about Bitcoin, we were saying to traders that a correction is underway. And we were talking about a various scenario that can occur when a corrective wave is underway. So we were talking about the zigzag pattern. That's one scenario. Can go like this. Add 1, 2, 3. Can be a flat correction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another scenario. We did also say that a price can continue to just roll it down all the way here. It can just go down, straight line, without forming any shape or form. It can just crash down, all right? And I did mention to traders, because this is something new, Bitcoin is not yet regulated. It's quite speculative, highly speculative. And I was saying to traders, because this is the first completed impulse wave, it will be healthy for Bitcoin itself and for the Bitcoin market, all right, that this Bitcoin cryptocurrency comes back to the starting point. That's a better scenario that myself I will be very, very interested in. So what do I want to add to what I've said before, apart from fifth wave and the correction is underway and the various scenarios that can occur during the corrective phase? Personally, if I want to play this Bitcoin, I will wait until the beginning of 2019. Hopefully that correction will be completed, or hopefully it will bring it here. So I'm holding, all right? I'm staying put, being very, very conservative until January. Then we will see how the correction has taken shape. After that, we will decide, to buy the Bitcoin. That's what I want to say to traders today. But if you are playing with the corrective first, just play it carefully, very carefully. Remember the scenario that can occur, no question about it, is a correction. But you want to trade it at this junction, alright? It is prudent to give priority to bearish signal, bearish trading setup, instead of trying to buy it now. Because, why? Anything is possible. There are various scenarios. You can see that the price now between the zone of 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of that impulse wave. Some people will try to buy here, but personally, alright, I will be very careful. If I want to buy and hold this Bitcoin, I will wait until the end of this year because, all right, 2018 is a corrective year. All right, it's corrective year. Though we have a corrective pattern, it's a corrective year. The year itself is a corrective year. I will wait till that year end before I will try to look for an opportunity to buy. Hopefully, by the end of the year, we will see clearly what kind of corrective wave is now in place, whether it's neat or distorted. All right. I highly wish that this thing come down slowly but gently to the starting point or somewhere near the starting point. As I mentioned before, there are other key levels that I mentioned here. That will be very, very good scenario for us. So we may take advantage of the Bitcoin. All right. So first wave, there will be a second. So first wave of a higher degree subdivided into 5. So what we are waiting for now, we are waiting for the second wave of a higher degree. And then our intention, all right, is to catch the third wave of a higher degree, provided that, governments are happy with the cryptocurrency or they are not doing anything to mess it up because they can change the whole thing and we all go back to square one or Bitcoin may become worthless at the end or something like that. So what we are hoping is to catch the third wave, provided that the governments around the world, all right, create a more regulated or more controlled environment to avoid the speculation and all the uncertainty relating to the cryptocurrency. That would be a prudent approach, all right, if you are not part of the first leg of the cryptocurrency, a price move, all right, you see now, so it's the first way, all right. Now, I was thinking that I would see the stochastic here, but it's not showing on my yearly chart. So I'll go back one level down to the monthly chart. And this is what we are talking about before, the stochastic pattern. Look at this pattern. Are you a stochastic pattern trader? Are you TSCWS usual trader? Let's look at this pattern. Look at that. Stochastic give a very beautiful pattern here. Overbought, a higher low that is not in the oversold zone, followed by stochastic reaching the oversold zone. This is a distinctive bullish stochastic pattern. And after that, the third wave has started from there. Boom, look at that. And again, this is another distinctive indication of the stochastic during the third wave or during a strong impulse wave, the stochastic will stay overbought. So as an earlier wave trader, anytime you see the stochastic in the overbought zone, all you need to do is to switch your attention to the price. If the price breaks above a resistance and retesting a final support, game on. Look at this. Those are the things. So after this year, this monthly candlestick bar is closed. It's a breakable retest key level. All right, you see, this is what you are looking for. So if you divide this candlestick bar into two, the median line somewhere there, breakable, right? Retest up, breaking resistance. When the stochastic is overbought, you take it up. All right. Stochastic oversold, break support, retest, break support, retest. See now, we are now in oversold. It has been oversold. This is where we are now. If I put a line there, I usually use 25, but let's use 30 here. All right. Stochastic deep below the oversold here. This is what we are doing now. Now you see here. So if you place a vertical line there, if you are wondering how you will trade it, stochastic oversold. If the price break below, pay attention to the vertical line, break below a support level and retest it, we implement a top-down trading method, looking forward, an opportunity to sell. So you see the vertical line, stochastic reaches oversold zone. Instead of trying to buy, you will be patient. Right? If you break below a key level and find a resistance, right, we will sell instead. So if I drop down to the weekly chart, pay attention to the vertical line. So now you are here. It's a bit not very compact chart, all right. So there's a key level here, all right, and so on. So break below, retest, implement a top-down trading method, all right. But if the stochastic is oversold, On the other hand, if the stochastic is oversold and the price instead break a resistance and find a support, you will buy, yes or no? It's just around the key level. Break above, retest, break below, retest. Whether stochastic is overbought, oversold, the same rule apply. We are trading the price. You draw your trend line, you draw your channel, you are trading on the edge. Okay, all right? This is what we are talking about all the time. So this is about Bitcoin analysis, Elliott Wave Guru. Hope you like that title. Elliott Wave Guru shares Bitcoin wave analysis tips and tricks. So rendezvous January 2019. We will see what's going to happen. All right, and I'll be watching it in January. So end of December, in fact, last week of December, we'll be monitoring what is happening here carefully, so we do not miss the boat, if there is a boat in place or not. All right. So this is it. So stochastic overbought. So this is it. You see, it's very nice pattern here, very beautiful stochastic pattern here. All right. This is what we are talking about, the forced stochastic divergence that usually occur after the first wave. Do you see that? If you are following that, you should know that. You should know how. I'm using the stochastic 833. That's my favorite setting. Yeah. See, a bearish divergence is a forced divergence or temporary divergence. Temporary divergence because it went down for a while. But if you know that this is the first wave and the second wave is underway, and you see this, you'll be more patient. And here it is. The third wave is underway, and the stochastic is still overbought. And then when the fourth wave is underway, the stochastic will come back down again. You see, there, you see, clear cut. Just looking at the stochastic, you can know where you are. So you see that, you say, all right, probably the first wave is completed. All right, now here it is, second wave is completed. Now the third wave is underway, still overbought. Here it is, the fourth wave is now coming down. All right, we will see, all right, before the fifth wave. So at this junction, because it's a correct way, draw your line. You are trading the price. Draw your line, trade on the edge, pay attention to the trend line, pay attention to the support and resistance level. Don't assume anything. Remember the scenario that can occur. People are jumping into the market anywhere, anyhow, trying to catch the wave, trying to catch the move and say, it's going to go up, it's going to go up. Don't guess it. Time it correctly. Be very patient, all right? Personally, I sit on my hands for now until January. Then we will see whether there is something here for us also to catch, all right, after the initial move, all right. But remember that the trading cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is highly speculative, which means very, very risky. Government can mess up everything. Therefore, okay, cautionary approach is very important. Do not empty your bank account and hoping that, okay, that will solve all your problems, your financial problem. A very, very prudent approach is what I will personally, okay, take, all right, when one is dealing with, okay, Bitcoin or Bitcoin index or any other cryptocurrency. So enough of my blah blah blah. All right. If this video has been useful to you, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you have any comment or suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video is truly amazing to you and you think you should share with your friend, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, or you have unsubscribed to our channel, come back again and subscribe one more time. Subscribe to our channel today, and make sure you click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I do record 2 or 3 videos, sometimes I do post video each day, so you may see today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you may say, George, what's wrong? Too many notifications. Just ignore them. Know that George is doing his own thing, and in your own time, decide which one you should watch, control it, all right? Or if you don't want to receive a notification again, you just go back to your YouTube account and click again on the bell. So, all right, you do not receive any more notification. So in your own time, you can come to our channel, all right, and watch the video. Now, another thing I want to mention before I close this video is that we do post, we do put adverts, Google adverts, it's in our video. What you will notice that I put it every 5 minutes. That's what I do. Every 5 minutes, you will see advert. Now, sometime, what I don't understand, YouTube will be showing you the same advert over and over and over. Personally, I skip them because I don't want to watch the same adverts, all right, 100 times. Right? I don't have to watch the same advert 100 times. So you have the control to skip the advert or not. But try to remember that the reason why the advert is there is to support the channel and not to support the content creators. So don't skip every advert. Some adverts will be very long. So I watch YouTube all the time. Some adverts are 3 minutes, 5 minutes, because people are promoting their video and you see in the stream of a video. So if the advert is too long, you don't have to watch the full length of the advert. So if after 30 seconds or 45 seconds you understand the advert or you are not interested, well, after 30 seconds we get paid for the advert and you can skip the advert, all right? After 30 or 45 seconds, we get paid for the advert and you skip the advert, all right? You take control of it. So to the same advert all the time, personally, I skip it. All right, but I do not skip every advert. I'm in control of which advert I'm interested in. Sometimes I go to the website of the advertiser. All right, so everything is your decision. That's why the skip button is there. But remember that you can support YouTube. All right, because if you're skipping, everybody's skipping all the advert. That's why now we have YouTube Premium. If you don't like advert at all, then you have to subscribe to YouTube Premium. You pay $9 something a month. You see, you have to pay. Either way, then you don't see the advert at all. So you are watching our video, you are on YouTube Premium, pay your £9 a month or $9 whatever or $10 a month. That's it. No more advert, but that's why you will pay each month. So at the end of the year, it will cost you roughly $120 to avoid seeing advert all the time. All right, it's up to you. It's your decision. All right, but just remember that. All right, money is always involved. So I put it every 5 minutes. All right. So if you watch it too, you say, George, I'm not interested to watch more than 3 adverts, but I'm supporting your channel. I watch only 2 per video. You watch it too. Well, you can decide to skip everything else. Blah 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 blah. Is your decision. For other traders that are professional traders, so that are watching our video and making a lot of money in the financial market, remember us, go to our channel, click the donate button so we can keep our website running, all right, and do the thing that we want to do, all right. If I have more phone, I may have another software where we may have access to silver or gold data, but we can only do what we can do, and somebody has to pay for it, either myself or with your support. All right. So enough for my blah blah blah. Until the next time. All right. This is just to help traders understand what we are doing, because I see some comments recently. That's why I'm trying to clear the air so we all know exactly what is happening here on YouTube. So we are all good and good friends, all right? So until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Bitcoin analysis, area wave guru, share Bitcoin, wave analysis tips. We'll come back in January and see, okay, what kind of corrective we have, whether there is an opportunity to also join, okay, the third wave or not. And I will come back again and look at Bitcoin. Probably I'll record another video in January to tell you whether they will have a high probability trade or not. All right? Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.